Hello everybody, it's Kingsley K-Sizer here doing mixing and mastering. Okay, it's Katy Perry's Teenage Dream, and let's see what we can do with this fantastic cover. There are 27 audio files and there are no plugins. And let's see what we're going to do with this great track. Okay, I'm going to put the snare on and I'm going to put some noise gate on it. I'm going to solo it. As you can see, I'm going to adjust the threshold so you can hear the bass drum. Okay, let me see if I can just get rid of the bass and keep the snare. And you can use the attack for faster response, and you've got release times as well, and hold. Let's go up. I could add some distortion. Okay, I'm on chord guitar. I'm going to solo. I'm going to go to Bit Crusher. And as you can see, we've got a drive on here. And like on your synthesizers, you've got a nice wave here. Now I'm going to clip the wave and add drive to make it sound really dirty. You can improve the resolution. Sounding nice. Okay, on a dirty guitar, and let's add some overdrive. Okay, let's make a summing stack so we can send it to a mastering engineer. Okay, let me create a stack. It's going to be a summing stack. Create, and there you have it. There's your sum. What I can do is, because the summing stacks, the drums, the guitars, the synths, and vocals, I can use those summing stacks to create, to put compression on them, which I can just go like so. And the great thing is, These are vocals. So as you can see, I can just go down like so, go down to voice. Got so many options to choose from, and it's a pop track. And I can just go up here and look up, and I'm seeing, and there they are, dance vocals. Click on them, and got some nice compression. And when you're playing it, you can adjust it. Okay, now let's go to aux 7, and let's label this, and we're going to put comp. I'll put in comp for compression. And of course, I'm going to head over to here, stop the track, and let me see now. I'm going to select a bus, and I'm going to go across. I'm going to go to bus 7. So this acoustic guitar is going to go to compression, and I'm going to go solo it, and I'm going to press play. And I'm going to go to compression, and I'm going to choose a preset. You've got the auto gain here, you can turn that off. Sounding very live at the moment. And you can adjust it to what you like. Of course, you've got different ones over here where you can just go over here to try different settings out. And there you have it, compression. Okay, let's EQ the synths. I'm gonna solo, pick a preset, let's go to Synth Brighton. And you can adjust the low cut and the high cut and the bells. And now we're going to EQ it aggressively. Okay, let's make a bus. Let's move across. AUX2. Now, we're going to put some reverb on it. We're going to name it. Okay, let's go to Space Designer. Okay, you can pick a preset for the space you want to use, like large, medium, or small. I'm going to go with medium. Let's put some Play-Doh on there. You can adjust the signal. No dry. We can give it a bit of wet. Okay, let's go to the backing vocals. I'm going to solo it. I'm on delay. I'm going to go to tape delay. Now, on delay, you can adjust the timing. Always good on this one to go on a 16th. Keep the stereo output down. Okay, I'm going to do some panning. Happy with the drums down the middle. I'm going to pan the acoustic guitars. Solo. And I'm going to pan them to the right. So now you have to make sure everything is labeled. I am loving this mix, sounding super amazing. Okay, it is time to bounce. First of all, first things first, you got a selector. Then I'm going to have to umbrella it. And I'm going to go into File and down to Bounce. Go across and down to Project or Section. Come on, B. It is a PCM file. Okay, then you have to label. And I'm going to save it to the desktop, and I'm going to bounce. Okay, how does it sound? So if I close Logic, okay, and let's give it a play. Okay, it is time for mastering. Okay, first of all, I'm going to go into the selection on the right hand side, And I'm going to go with a loudness meter, and it's going to be stereo. Now, what I'm going to do is going to press start, and I'm going to press rewind, and I'm going to run the song all the way through. Okay, as you can see, we've got the integrated number, which is negative 21.1. So that's one thing done. And now let's try and find another plugin. Okay, now I'm going to look for the limiter. Okay, now we have the limiter, which is tremendous. And now let's rewind, play the track. Okay, and I'm going to put up the gain. Okay, the next thing I'm going to go is into the EQ. So, I'm into the channel EQ, rewinding, and let's see how we can just polish the track. Okay, gonna select this bell, and just gonna raise it a little bit. That's all I need. Then I'm gonna select this bell. I'm just gonna drop this a little bit. I'm just going to bring it over to here. Just going to drop that a little bit as well. And I think I'm really happy with that as the master. And I'm going to be happy with that as the channel EQ. And now I'm going to look for compression. Okay. Now I'm going to look into the presets. I'm going to go into compression tools. Then I'm going to head up to platinum analog tape. That's nice and loud. Getting a very good compression there. So let's go with the threshold. The attack, am I happy with the attack? Just a little bit more attack. I'm gonna just add a bit of ratio. Let's go into the multipressor. So I'm into the multipressor. Got the solo on. Let's solo something else now. That is the high end. Okay, I'm happy with the compression. So now, let's bring up stereo spread. can hear coming through beautifully. So am I happy with the frequencies? I think so. So I'm going to keep them. The frequencies are I'm pretty happy with. And then back to the limiter. Happy with the gain. And then the final check all over everything. Okay, I'm happy with that so far. Now you have to check it in different places as well. Okay, listening to it on the headphones now and feeling that the vocals need to go up a little bit. Okay, now I'm going to head over to the main vocals and put a solo on it. And I'm going to raise it a little bit. Okay, let's turn it up and let's see what it sounds like. I think everything is fitting really nicely and sounding great. You got a select all. Then I'm going to have to umbrella it. Check the end. I'm going to add a little bit to it. Then I'm going to head to File. Then I'm going to head down to Bounce. Then I'm going to go across and down to Project or Section. Come on, B. Now I have a PCM file, which is what I need. Then I'm going to go down and check everything is okay here. The number should be fine. This is an offline bounce. So 16-bit. Then I've got 4410. Then I'm going to put. Then I'm going to put dithering on to UV22HR. And I'm going to bounce. Okay, and let's give it a play. And that completes the mastering.